What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia Darling. If you're new here, I create content related to my locks, lifestyle, health, and fitness journey. So before we hop into this video, go ahead and give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, and just turn on post notifications so that you can join this community of like-minded individuals. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm not feeling too good, but I think I know why. You ever experience like so many adversities when you're in the middle of doing something phenomenal with your life, and it's like you get these little minor challenges that pops up every blue moon that tries to basically stop you, hold you back, or discourage you from pressing forward? That's how I feel today, but I'm not going for it. So I'm not feeling my best, but I know it's time to take this Locstyle down. It's getting a little old. My hair is quite fuzzy and it's dirty as well. So I just really want to do a nice lock maintenance session, and I want to take this Locstyle down. I want to wash my hair. I want to oil my scalp, and I just want to give my hair some loving. And yeah, so that's what we're about to hop into.
This one I grab you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that back down. That cover my face, calling me that back down. Biggie man, we don't be where I back down. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all the best. They catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the best. They catch it, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to get one way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.
Y'all see the difference between where my two-strand twist stop and my twist out stop? It's such a difference. Look at that. Wow, I have to get on my knees so y'all can see. Look at that. My two-strand twist stop up here, and my actual locks stop down here. So cool.
All the Bentley, they catch it, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it go? Chihuahua, all the Bentley, they catch it, ride the whip, I no feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, they catch it, ride the whip, I know.
your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Plus, what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, loving my think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like you'll send me a pin. Look at my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you, and I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough,